Porvorim Rising team is under our dynamic MLA, Honorable, as well as Honorable Minister Rohan Kaute. Under him, we have formed this Porvorim Rising team, and we are having a no mozo, no motorized zone event in Service Road, which is parallel to the National Highway in Porvorim. आम्ही Service Road cordon करतले from the SCRT, that is Goa Board, till Porvorim Police Station. And on 10th of December, that is Sunday, we are planning a no mozo, no motorized zone event. In that, it is going to be a people-friendly ambience. Basically, लोकांक एकठांय, community एकठांय करपाचो हो आमचो एक event आसा. तातून it is going to help all kids, parents with prem, आणि to add is differently abled भुरगीं आसा. तांकां तातून participation घेवपाक आमी वाव दितले, as well as senior citizens. So it is, in one way, it is going to be a happy street on a motor-free street. We are also very happy and very glad to announce association as well as participation of Mr. Nikhil Chinnappa, who is youth icon as well as music curator. ताणे आपूण आमच्या हाका participate जाता म्हणून सांगला. And this no mozo event, this is going to be the first event, and it is going to be followed hopefully by half yearly or yearly, and it is going to grow in all the aspects if you go to see.
And we are not saying it is a similar things. Yesterday I was distributing these handbills to my friends to invite to them actually. So one of my friends asked me, is it required to block the road and do such type of activities? I didn't utter a single word after that. I said, I've just come to invite you. Then I said, let's meet on 10th evening regarding the script of drama. So then I said, let's meet for the no mozo only. Then he realized it is a meeting point. So different people has a different perception about the no mozo. That is the beauty of no mozo. Now in future, Suresh said that we will be developing this property. Now Trinity is coordinating, and actually if you see the quote of ex-former president of US, early in the morning is to go with a bicycle, and if anybody say good morning Mr. President to him, is to keep bicycle with him, so keep morning. So we all invite you on 10th 8 AM to 2 PM, so keep bicycle, keep morning.